MANTLE has launched MANTLE Journey with a 20 million MANTLE reward pool. I'll show you a trick to collect 3,000 Journey miles in just under $10. Start by connecting your wallet to MANTLE Journey and transferring some MANTLE token from any exchange like MEXC, Bybit or Binance. Now click on Mint MJBT and complete the transaction. It will cost only $0.1. Please note that this is a mandatory step. After successfully minting your SBT, click on Enter Profile. As you can see, I have 10 miles. Verify your social media account in order to get 100 miles more. Follow MANTLE on Twitter and then click on Continue. Now click on Create and complete the transaction. It will cost $0.1 again. Now, as you can see, I have 110 miles. Get 20 miles extra to add your username and mail address. Now let me show you how you can earn miles. As you can see, you will earn 10 miles for every transaction. You will earn 1 mile for holding $500 worth of assets. This is not rewarding at all. We can also get 20 miles for adding liquidity. We can do this 100 times and earn 20 miles for each transaction, which will give us 3,000 miles in total. So let's do this. Go to Fusion X Finance and swap some MNT tokens for USDT. Now add some liquidity in the USDT/WMNT pool. Enter the amount of MANTLE you want to wrap. I am wrapping 3 MANTLE tokens. Make sure to select wide instead of narrow. Now enable the spend of both WMNT and USDT. After approving the spend, we will change the values of MNT and then add liquidity. I'm adding 0.05 MNT in each transaction. You can do this with 0.1 MNT if you want. We have to do a total 100 transactions to earn 3,000 miles. Now just repeat the transaction over and over again. Don't do 100 transactions at once. Do transactions at random days in random intervals. Hope you find this video useful. If you get any issues, you can leave a comment or join our Telegram discussion group. See you guys in the next video.